before anything else, I would like to introduce myself first. I am Jupo T. Quijano, a student of Cebu Roosevelt Memorial Colleges, taking up Bachelor of Science in Criminology. My group mates will be conduct a short interview about your experience during distribution of relief goods and helping the victims of 6.9 magnitude earthquake that struck in Cebu City. This interview, sir, is for educational purposes only, and Jade is the first one to interview, followed by Jimmer.
Good afternoon, sir. I introduce myself. My name is Martin Ebralio. First of all, sir, may I ask what's your name and which agency you decide to volunteer?
So, my name is Stephen Glorby Ikot. I am a third year Bravo, taking up Bachelor of Science of Criminology and CRMC. So, in CRMC, I am also one volunteer, and the agency I decided to volunteer is Red Cross.
I have a question for you, sir. What is your first reaction during the earthquake?
So my first reaction during the earthquake was kanang normal ra kay kanang katong nga itabo kay tagsar ra bagay tong inato ka gusto nga linog. So my first reaction is kanang abira na kog nay nag nitugpas ang atok bagay kanang kay murag nay ni kalit og kuyog kurog. So ako na siyang ibaliwala. So pag time as goes by, ni kusog man siya, galit ang kurog, moto ni pupo ko galit, moto ni galit ang kanot. So moto akong first reaction.
How did you feel when the earthquake happened?
So I feel kanang nakuyawan kay, so basin kamoy makuyawan sad mo kay grabe ka kusog atong linuga. So kuyawan.
What made you decide to volunteer for relief operations?
Siyempre para makatabang, and also dili raman kay relief operation namong gipangbuhat. Also agad ra pod mi sa kanang kuan head sa office kung para asa mi deploy. So
how did you start helping in the relief operation?
I guess katong pag after third day during earthquake, nag-start na ko kanang help or volunteer sa Red Cross.
What kind of help do people need the most after earthquake?
So ilang needs nila kay after the earthquake kay siyempre mga pagkaon, tubig, hygiene, and siguro maora man siguro na kay if kwarta ang yatag kay ang mga convenience store kay nga guba man sad, so much better if mga kuan lang mga goods.
So, good afternoon, sir. I am the interviewer number 2, and my name is Jimmer Piscalikas. And how do you think the community can recover from the earthquake?
So, based on my kanang kuan sa akong nasinati kay maka-recover ang community if magkitang tanan magtinabangay, and dapat mag-ampot at tanan.
Okay. And what message would you like to share with those affected by the disaster?
So akong masultira sa mga napiktuhan sa linog para sa kitang tanan napiktuhan ba sa linog. So akong masultira gid kay if naamay kanang upcoming or maka-feel man mo aftershock, i-kalma lang ang una-una. Kay if magpanik man jud ka kay mas worse man gid ang mong result. Kay for example, maglinog. So nato dire maglinog ta niya. Magpanik ta tanan. So kanang night tendency makuanta mapakong-pakong makanang kuan. So possible igawas na to sa kanang pultahan mga lamba nga na. So ang exit ang exit niya ka ng way maalihan nun na maka-obstruct. So maor na ako masulti, dapat kuha lang ta, kalma lang ta o mag-up kita.
And what lesson did you learn from this experience being a volunteer?
So ang lesson nga akong na experience during katong nag-volunteer ko kay daghan. Kay if ay katong pagsuod na ko sa kanang Red Cross kay kanang daghan ko kanang nakaila na. So gi-train sad mi sa kanang kwan sa katong mga staff dito nga unsay pangbuhaton, unsay ang buhaton, unsay dili. So nya maor na.
Okay. What can you say about the situation those affected by earthquake?
So I guess kanang same ram na question pag katong giniya. So ang masulti nako kay if naay ka ng kuan aftershock or maka-feel ka kanang kurog sa inyong balay, magkuan lang ta, stay calm as possible kay naay tendency nga magkuan mas ma-worse ang kanang kuan situation if magpanic ka tanag. So
Thank you, sir, for spending your time in this interview. I really appreciate your time and efforts, and also your presence to be with us once again, sir. Thank you and God bless.
thank you.